Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link RE705X AX3000 Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Find a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Within 10 feet is ideal for setup. Plug the RE705X into the socket. The power LED on the extender will light up solid white within about 30 seconds. If the power LED blinks or stays off, make sure the socket has power. Look for a button labeled WPS on your router. It might be on the front, top, or back panel. If unsure, check the router's manual or labeling. Some routers hide WPS under the Wi-Fi settings in their admin panel. Press and hold the router's WPS button for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll usually see a WPS LED blinking on the router. This means it's ready to pair with a device. Now, go to your RE705X. Press and hold its WPS button, usually marked with 2 arrows forming a circle, for 1 to 2 seconds. The signal LED, the one with a Wi-Fi symbol, will start blinking. This means it's attempting to connect to your router wirelessly. Within about 30 seconds to 2 minutes, the signal LED will stop blinking and turn solid. Solid green means strong signal, placement is good. The orange or red means weak signal, may need to move it closer to the router. Off or blinking means connection failed, repeat steps. Unplug the extender from the wall. Move it to a new location midway between your router and the area with poor signal. Plug it into a socket not too far from the router. You still need a strong signal for optimal performance. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.